Whoa, so that was a long trip of me talking and hopefully you hacking and having fun. We've learned so much in this course. We covered so many different topics. We learned things from a good guy's perspective and a bad guy's perspective, which is always important to know and understand. We've seen some vulnerabilities that are very straightforward to exploit. We've seen vulnerabilities that were not that straightforward to exploit. We've had challenges with multiple different protocols. We cracked passwords. We took over user accounts. And I hope you had as much fun hacking throughout this course, as much fun as I did creating this course for you. It was definitely an amazing experience for me. I hope you guys got the most out of this course. And now the obvious question is, where to next? What do I do now that I have finished the KaliLinux tutorial for beginners? Now, as the name says, this course is for beginners. Yes, we did sneak in a couple videos and a couple concepts that are not particularly for beginners. They might have been a little bit more into the intermediate side. And that is because I wanted you to get a feel of what's going to come next. So if you decided that ethical hacking and penetration testing is something that you want to take seriously, we have more courses on Hackers Academy that will steer you in the right direction. For example, we have another course that is 8 hours long. That is for the intermediate to advanced level. And this is the course where we get into some really cool stuff such as creating and customizing your own shellcode, hacking into Windows boxes and escalating privileges on Windows servers, hacking and escalating privilege in multiple ways on Linux, getting persistence in multiple ways on Linux and Windows servers, and so much more. Now, like I said, this course is more onto the intermediate level, so it's not really for beginners. But the good news is that you're not a beginner anymore. So if you feel that penetration testing and ethical hacking is something that you want to get involved seriously in, what I'd invite you to do is go to hackersacademy.com, have a look at the course catalog, and if you're lucky enough, you might get yourself a really good offer that's happening at the time of your visit. In any case, make sure that you join us on hackersacademy.com, join the community, get networking with other hackers and other students, make some friends online. And of course, if you have any questions whatsoever, please make sure to ask. That's it from me. Once again, congratulations on completing the course and thank you so much for being part of the Hackers Academy family. I hope I see you on hackersacademy.com. I wish you all the best and happy ethical hacking.